got these front car seat protectors, so just gonna open the box up here. Got the instructions and these little plastic clips and stuff. Really soft backing right there. So it's got like a little cushion on the driver's side front seat. Alright, that works for me. Drive for Uber, so this just adds some protection on my front seats, and you know, this is while I'm driving. And I guess it'll kind of just form out when people sit down. It'll kind of, you know, just kind of lay there. It just sits on there real good. You can adjust the tightness up here. So, let me get around to it. And as you can see, you can either go on this one, loosen it up, or tighten it up a bit and send it through this middle one. Not the easiest, simple installation, but it doesn't take long. And like I said, I think it'll protect your seats from like spills, or, you know, like I said, I do ride share. So just to keep all the different people, and it's easy to clean, just wipe it down and protect the leather here. So I think this will work for me.